A song we've heard. Let's hear it again. She would like an adult. I'm gonna need for y'all to raise your kids properly to be functioning adults in society. Ariana Grande, what you doing here, girl? And that just reminded me of Ariana Grande, where you at? Where you at, girl? Human will get you far. This life is all about roles. For your lady, or your man, or your non-binary. Soft and assertive. Girl, do you want a hoe? Me gusta. Sugaring, girl. She needs the actions to be actioned, okay? No intro? Shit. Okay. Get out. 1 minute you're hot, 1 minute you're cold. Is she from the country or something? Where's she from? Where is Sabrina Carpenter from? Is she from the South? This bitch was born in PA. The fuck? Never getting laid. Girl. Never getting laid, bitch. I'm sorry. Okay. She does not want this person to get laid. And she wants this person riddled with anxiety. Okay. Fuck them. Damn, girl. Why is the song 2 minutes and 25 seconds long? It should be longer. This one sounded good. Has a 90s vibe and a country vibe to it as well. Girl, you were rude as hell. What do you mean you were an ugly ass kid, but now you're a fine ass man? See, that is why I tell y'all to stop talking about people's kids, because you don't know what that kid is gonna grow into. All right? We all have awkward phases. We are not becoming alcoholics. The fuck you mean? Love when happy hour comes at 10 a.m. o'clock on a Tuesday? Early in the week? What you mean, gay? Is that a slur? She needs some liquor. Raw. Alcohol is a drug. Some of y'all are in denial. That shit is a motherfucking drug. Okay? This life is short. You have only one life and you have free will. So you can do whatever the fuck you wanna do. Okay? Girl, what? You are insane. Y'all, the production reminds me so much of a Taylor Swift song. Versatility. Bitch, I read through that. What do you mean? I just want you to come inside. Ooh, girl, you're nasty! Now, if this is a stranger, I don't need, you don't need to do all of that, okay? Now, let's get listening. Oh, this heifer! I just want you to come inside, but never enter through the back door. Bitch, I am waiting for you. All right? She's not interested in A to the N to the A to the L. All right? She wants it in the P to the U to the S to the S to the Y. Period. All right, let's get listening. You nasty hoe. You are nasty. Are you coming in or what, sir? I don't want no 1 minute man. Anyway, so that was House Tour. Hold on, I'm gonna get more to House Tour because it ate. It's given 80s vibes. Okay, she took it back to the days. Interesting song lyrically. There's a lot of double entendres in the song. Okay, innuendos. And we're here for it. Sabrina, if this is a stranger, I'm gonna need for you to be a little bit more protective, okay? In every single way, girl, okay? You can't let a stranger just come inside. The fuck? We need protection. This was such a great closing to the album. I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud. Oh, yes. Good job, baby girl. Have a good day. Goodbye. Adios. Au revoir. Sayonara.